Graphic design is the art of visual communication. It uses images, typography, and other visual elements to convey a message or tell a story. It's about solving problems and communicating ideas through visual and textual content. Good graphic design is essential for any business or organization that wants to make a strong impression and connect with its target audience. Graphic design is used in a wide range of industries, including advertising, marketing, publishing, web design, and product packaging. It is a powerful tool that can be used to inform, persuade, and entertain. A well-designed logo, for example, can help to build brand recognition and trust. A brochure can effectively communicate information about a product or service. And a website can create a positive user experience and encourage conversions. Graphic design is an essential part of our visual culture, and it plays a vital role in shaping how we see the world around us. Graphic design has a long and fascinating history, dating back to the earliest cave paintings. Over the centuries, it has evolved alongside technology and cultural shifts. From the invention of the printing press to the digital revolution, each era has brought new tools and techniques for graphic designers to explore. The early 20th century saw the emergence of modern graphic design, with movements like Bauhaus and Art Deco emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and geometric forms. The mid-century brought about the international typographic style, focusing on clean typography and grid-based layouts. The late 20th and early 21st centuries witnessed the rise of digital design with software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator revolutionizing the industry. Today, graphic design is a constantly evolving field with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. The principles of design are a set of guidelines that help designers create visually appealing and effective compositions. These principles work together to create a sense of balance, harmony, and visual interest. Balance refers to the distribution of visual weight in a design. There are two main types of balance: symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance is achieved when elements are mirrored on either side of a central axis. In contrast, asymmetrical balance uses elements of different sizes and weights to create a sense of equilibrium. Contrast is the difference between elements in a design. This can be achieved through the use of color, size, shape, texture, or other visual elements. Contrast helps to create visual interest and hierarchy in a design. Emphasis is used to highlight the most crucial elements in a design. This can be achieved through size, color, contrast, or placement. Movement refers to the way the eye moves through a design. Designers can use lines, shapes, and other visual cues to create a sense of movement and guide the viewer's attention. Proportion is the relationship between the size of different elements in a design. Good proportion helps to create a sense of balance and harmony. Rhythm is the repetition of visual elements in a design. This can be used to create a sense of movement, pattern, or texture. Unity is the sense of oneness in a design. All the elements should work together to create a cohesive whole. Variety is the use of different visual elements in a design. This helps to create visual interest and prevent boredom. While principles guide the overall composition, elements are the building blocks used to create a design. These elements work together to communicate visually and evoke specific responses from the audience. Line is a fundamental element that can be used to create a wide range of effects. Lines can be straight or curved, thick or thin, and can be used to create shapes, patterns, and textures. Shape is created when lines enclose an area. Shapes can be geometric, like squares and circles, or organic, like the shape of a leaf or a cloud. Form refers to three-dimensional shapes, suggesting volume and depth. While shape is a two-dimensional concept, form deals with the object's height, width, and depth. Color is a powerful tool that can be used to evoke emotions, create moods, and attract attention. Designers use color theory to create harmonious color palettes and use color contrast to highlight specific elements. Texture refers to the surface quality of an object. It can be smooth, rough, soft, or hard. Texture can be used to add visual interest and depth to a design. Space is the area around and between elements in a design. It can be used to create a sense of balance, hierarchy, and contrast. Typography is the art of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing. Choosing the right fonts, sizes, and spacing is crucial for effective communication. Scale refers to the size of an object in relation to other objects or its environment. Scale can be used to create emphasis, depth, and visual interest. Section 5. The role of a graphic designer. A graphic designer is a visual communicator who creates visual concepts using computer software or by hand to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, and captivate consumers. They develop the overall layout and production design for various applications, such as advertisements, brochures, magazines, and corporate reports. One of the essential roles of a graphic designer is to understand the client's needs and the target audience's expectations. They need to be able to take a client's brief and translate it into a visual solution that meets the project's objectives. This involves conducting research, asking the right questions, and understanding the target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences. Collaboration is also crucial for graphic designers. They often work with other professionals, such as writers, marketers, photographers, and web developers, to bring a project to life. They need to be able to communicate their ideas effectively, take feedback on board, and work as part of a team to achieve a common goal. Section 6. Tools and techniques in graphic design. Graphic designers use a variety of tools and techniques to create visual content. These tools range from traditional pen and paper to sophisticated software packages. Software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign are essential tools for any graphic designer. These programs allow designers to create and manipulate images, illustrations, and page layouts with precision and control. Hardware such as high-resolution monitors, graphic tablets, and calibrated printers are also essential for professional graphic design work. While digital tools have become ubiquitous, traditional design methods still hold relevance. Sketching, drawing, and handcrafting are valuable techniques for brainstorming ideas, experimenting with concepts, and adding a human touch to digital designs. Section 7. Current trends in graphic design, 2025. The world of graphic design is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging all the time. In 2025, we see a blend of cutting-edge technology and a return to human-centric design. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is increasingly being used in graphic design, automating tasks, generating design variations, and even creating original artwork. Geometric abstract narratives are gaining popularity, with designers using simple geometric shapes to tell complex stories visually. Hyper-realistic 3D presentations are also trending, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Dynamic gradients, experimental typography, and the use of bold, mismatched color palettes are other trends shaping the visual landscape in 2025. Section 8. Collaborative design tools. Collaboration is essential in graphic design, and several tools facilitate seamless teamwork. Cloud-based design platforms like Figma have become increasingly popular in recent years. Figma allows designers to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for teams working remotely or across different locations. It also provides version control, commenting features, and the ability to create interactive prototypes, making the design process more efficient and collaborative. These platforms streamline the design process, reduce the need for back-and-forth communication, and ensure everyone involved in the project is on the same page. Section 9. Conclusion. The power of visual communication. Graphic design is a powerful tool for communication. It can be used to inform, persuade, entertain, and inspire. As we navigate an increasingly visual world, the role of graphic design becomes even more critical. Understanding the principles and elements of design, staying updated with current trends, and utilizing collaborative tools are essential for anyone looking to master this dynamic field. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or aspiring designer, appreciating the power of visual communication through graphic design can make a significant difference in how you connect with your audience and achieve your goals.